Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make bagels. First, let's get started with the dough. You'll need 1 1/4 cups of warm water, 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Combine these and let them sit for 5 minutes. Then, add 3 1/2 cups of bread flour and 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then knead for 10 minutes until smooth. Let it rise for 1 hour. Now that your dough has risen, it's time to shape those delicious bagels. Divide the dough into 8 equal portions, each weighing about 4 ounces. Roll each portion into a smooth ball, then use your thumb to poke a hole right through the center. Gently stretch the hole to about 1 inch in diameter. Next, boil them for 1 minute on each side in a large pot of simmering water. This step is crucial for that chewy texture. Once boiled, carefully transfer your bagels to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. For that beautiful golden brown finish, brush each bagel with an egg wash. Now comes the fun part: toppings. Sprinkle on sesame seeds, poppy seeds, or your favorite everything bagel seasoning. Bake them in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 18 to 20 minutes, or until they are perfectly golden. The aroma of freshly baked bagels is incredible, isn't it? It's important to let your bagels cool completely on a wire rack. This step allows the interior to set properly, ensuring that perfect chewy texture and preventing any sogginess. Once cooled, slice them open and slather on your favorite cream cheese, butter, or any spread you desire. You've just made amazing homemade bagels, ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.